Oh, this one's new. One of the contractors gave out these little Swiss Army knives. More Swiss Army knives, guys. Hey, I'm gonna spray my scent of the day. And you know, I'm still doing work with this Chanel Le Lion. I already know I love it, but it just keeps on giving, giving, and giving. It can do it all. It just keeps on going up and up and up, like Tesla. It's like, no, it's way too overextended. No, it just gets higher and higher, and it pulls back. It'll go higher and higher. What I'm gonna do is spray this. I'm showered, not shaved. I'm gonna go to the Panda Chinese cuisine takeout, right? Fast food, because my friend Margaret, she'd like some walnut shrimp, maybe some white rice. She doesn't want anything unless I don't. I just told her I'll get something for myself too. But what I'm gonna do is spray this, but I'm gonna do a half a spray total. And I'm gonna do it in 2 blasts, a quarter and a quarter. And YouTube first. This one's going viral, hog. I mean, this one's going. So we'll do one a quarter. Gee, that was less than a quarter. That was like an eighth. All right, so there's a quarter there, at least. And then down here, below my neck, still undercover, a quarter. A half a spray total. I'm not kidding. And then the shirt will waft. And I'll get back to you in the comments. If I remember, I'll ask her if she can smell me and what she thinks of Le Lion. Ladies, wear it in a club, yes. Wear it to work, yeah. Lightly, don't fumigate them out. Casually, yeah, like I'm doing right now. Spray very little. I'll get back to you. And then on a date, of course, you don't want to mess with any gal wearing Le Lion. Coromandel, she's gonna have some give and take, but some gal wearing a beautiful evening sheer neck plunging dress with Le Lion. And here's another thing. Le Lion, you can pinpoint small sprays, right? But this, and Coromandel too, is a perfume. My ex-wife used to do this. She would spray her Oscar de la Renta. That was the first perfume I ever bought, and I bought it for her in college. Into the air, mist, and then walk in, right? Because why? Her mother taught her to do that. So spray it in the air and move. So that's just like spraying a cloud and around. So it can be sprayed maybe 2 to 3 sprays, cloud, and you getting hit with it. Or think of it as, in the old days, real perfume, pure perfume in a bottle with a stopper, a real crystal stopper. And the woman would just go like this. And then one here in the cleavage. I mean, I don't think there's a better place for it. And then one behind the ear, one behind the ear, touch with the perfume, pure perfume stopper. So with something like this, something as strong as Le Lion, in my opinion, quarter spray behind the concentrated and not blasted from far away, close, as if it was like pure perfume. Quarter spray, quarter spray, quarter spray. And then you just try that and you're good to go. And maybe a tiny mist. And same with guys. The point I'm making with those little quarter sprays pinpointed and from a very close distance to the skin is, I think they're more like, instead of a bubble, which you get a bubble when you spray, and you spray a cloud all around you in a light mist, right? People are smelling you all the time, and if you're in distance. But if you do concentrated little blasts, it's more that's more inducive to wafting as you move around, and then the person comes by your desk and say, look at these figures here, I think you did you miscalculate? Oh wow, you smell nice, what is that? You turn, or the wind goes, or your clothes go like this, and it wafts. So little pinpoint concentrated sprays for wafting, and the mists for the entire bubble, where you're walking around and you smell her. You can smell her sillage. She's just been here. He's just been here 5 minutes ago. I can smell him. I like both, but I like the wafts. So even with my Sauvage, do the same thing. Sometimes, most of the times I do close concentrated pinpoints, and the person or people cannot smell you at some point, and then you just moved a bit, the air moves, it wafts around, and then they get hit with it, and that's very appealing. The appeal of wafts. So let me get back to you, and I got a half a spray total of Le Lion on, and I'm going out and beginning my day, which is late morning. Bye bye.